Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video we're going to have an unboxing of some basin taps from victorianplumbing.co.uk. This video's not sponsored by them, it's just my look at the basin taps that I've ordered in for a customer. And anyone that's thinking of buying these taps, you can see what they're like and look at the dimensions. See if they'd fit your basin, your sink. So let's just have a quick look at the side of the box. Some information there. So you can pause it and take the information. Product code there. The description of these taps is the Olympia Art Deco basin taps. Give you some dimensions there, but I'll show you that in more detail in a minute when we open the box. So let's open the box up. So the taps themselves come in a nice protective sock there. As usual in any box, any taps or any product, you get an information leaflet there. Just tells you how to connect them, but if you're not sure, get yourself a plumber in. Another protective layer, bit of cardboard there, and then the other tap there in the sock. So let's move the box out of the way for a minute and just pull one of the taps out. Move the sock. Lay it there. Now these are the basin taps, guys, which the basin taps have a smaller diameter pipe, connection pipe there with a threaded pipe, so they're for a 1/2 inch connection. The bath taps would be a 3/4 inch connection diameter pipe. So you've obviously got the plastic nut there to tighten up underneath. And there's a couple of rubber washers there. That one, the one at the top stays in place, and the one that I'm just pulling down there, that goes underneath the basin. So one for the top of the basin and one for underneath the basin. Then you do your nut up. So these taps, let you have a better look at them, guys. They're quite nice. They're Art Deco style. Obviously in chrome, obviously labelled hot there at the top, and the other one will say cold on it. Quite a nice looking tap. I had to try and match these for the customer because her taps are quite similar. This is the best I could find. Not a bad match at all, to be honest. And you can use these on a low pressure system. I think the minimum required bar is 0.1, and these taps are 1/4 turn, so that's fully on and fully off. 1/4 turn means it only turns 1/4 of the way, not like a conventional tap where you have to unscrew it until the water comes out. These just activate by left and right 1/4 turns on and off. So yeah, I think they'll look quite nice once they're installed. So let's just get the other one out the protective bag. Difficult with one hand, guys, just bear with me. But these little bags that they come with, they can be quite handy for certain things that you need. Keeping something protected inside, like perhaps a camera or a GoPro or something like that. Always good to hold on to them little bags. And there's the cold one, obviously labelled cold, which would go on the right hand side in the UK. So we'd install the hot on the left cold on the right. So that's basically it, guys. Just a quick look at the taps. And before I go, I'll just show you some measurements. Again, just bear with me again, guys. So you might want to know where the hole is on your basin compared to where the water will come out. Some basins can be quite deep and stop about there, the side of the basin. So you need to know whether the spout's long enough so the water obviously goes in the basin. So I'll give you that measurement now. So from where the water comes out to the centre of the pillar, you're looking at about 90 mil or 9 centimetres. And the height of the taps, guys, just move it round. So from the bottom of that collar to the top of the tap, height, we are looking at about 11.5, 12 centimetres or 115 millimetres. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks very much for watching this quick little unboxing video and a look at the Olympia Art Deco style basin taps. These can be found on, as I said, victoriaplumbing.co.uk. They've got a range of taps. The quality seems pretty good from my experience in the past buying from them, and they've always got a good range to choose from. I haven't got a bad word to say about them yet. As I said, this isn't sponsored by victoriaplumbing.co.uk. It's just my look and my take at these taps. So yeah, again, thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next video.